Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make quick money on Cash App stocks. Let's get started. Open your Cash App and tap the squiggly line icon on the right side of the home screen to enter the investing section. This is where you'll manage all your stock investments. To make money quickly, you need to focus on the strategy of buying low and selling high, rather than long-term holding. Scroll through the available stocks and look for companies that are currently trending upward or have recently dipped in price, but show strong potential for a quick rebound. Tap on any stock you're interested in to view its detailed performance chart and current price movement. For quick profits, you want to identify stocks that are volatile enough to provide significant price movements within days or even hours. When you find a stock you believe will increase in value soon, tap the Buy button and enter the amount you want to invest. Remember that for quick trading, you should only risk money you can afford to lose. After purchasing, monitor the stock closely throughout the trading day. Set a target profit percentage in your mind, such as 5 to 10% gain. Once the stock reaches your target, immediately tap on the stock in your portfolio, select Sell, and confirm the transaction. The money from your sale will instantly appear in your Cash App balance, ready for withdrawal or reinvestment. For even quicker returns, consider trading during the first hour after the market opens, when volatility is typically highest. Avoid holding positions overnight to minimize risk from after-hours price movements. Always have an exit strategy and stick to it, whether you're taking profits or cutting losses. The key to quick money in stocks is disciplined, short-term trading, and not getting emotionally attached to any particular investment. Cash App makes this process straightforward with its simple buy and sell interface, perfect for active traders looking for fast returns.